Let's go, let's go, let's go.
Let's go.
Yeah.
Big brr.
Yeah.
What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel, K9 TV. I just finished getting ready, so I'm filming my intro because I forgot to film it before. But today I'm going to be showing you guys my first attempt at doing the ball cap method along with boat hold. I don't know where I put it. I was going to show y'all what boat hold. So yeah, stay tuned for that. If you're new to my channel, hi, my name is Kayla, or Kay. If you are not new, make sure you guys subscribe so you can join our family. Turn on my post notifications so that you're notified every time that I post. Like and comment on this video. I don't know what else to say. But yeah, it turned out really cute. As you can see, it's giving scalp or whatever. But yeah, so I'm about to head out for this. You're gonna see what I'm doing later on in the video when I start vlogging. But for right now, just watch me do my hair. Bye, y'all. so as you can see, I just tied the lace down. I don't have an elastic band, which is something I need to invest in. But this hair is really cute. I already installed this hair on my channel. So this isn't new, but this is my first time doing the ball cap method, and also my first time using glue. I never used glue before. I usually just use Got2b and do it like that, because like I said, I don't like to wear my wigs for a long time, so I've never tried glue. But you know, I've been seeing everywhere that glue gets you the best meltdowns and stuff, so I wanted to try it. So hopefully this doesn't come out ass, or I'm gonna be very mad. But I'm probably just gonna straighten this hair and call it a day, because we're leaving at 4:45 and it's already 3 o'clock. So I'm got time, and I still gotta do my makeup, so I got time to be playing. But this is giving me real Beyonce right now, and I'm fucking with it. I'm fucking with it for real. So we finna probably just flat iron this down and then do my makeup. So y'all don't need to watch me do that. That's gonna take forever, and that's gonna make the video long as hell. So I'm just gonna come back after I'm done flat ironing, and then I'll take the scarf off and show y'all what it looked like after the melt. Okay, you guys, I'm done. It looks way better that I put makeup on the lace, and I pulled my ear out on this side, and I just finished my makeup. I'm finna get dressed. I added some bottom lashes, which I usually don't do. It actually looks really cute, so this might be my thing from now on. But yeah, this side I messed up a little bit, but hey, oh well. But yeah, so I'm gonna get dressed, and then yeah, we're going downtown today, so I might vlog a little bit downtown. I'm not sure. I probably will, but yeah, so I'm gonna see y'all probably when I'm in the car, because we're leaving in like 20 minutes and I'm still not dressed. So I'll be back. So they had music playing in there, so I couldn't really record that much. But yeah, so we're on our way home now. That's the end of the vlog. Thank you guys for watching this video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and see this music again. And we'll see you guys later.